Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what Epic support will need. You must be logged into the exact Epic account involved. Once logged in, collect order ID, platform, relevant usernames, and clear screenshots. Make sure two-factor methods work because verification speeds everything. Then navigate directly to the support portal and choose Contact Us. This opens the official ticket flow. Explain the issue in one clear sentence, then add the collected facts. This sequence reduces back and forth and gets your request into the queue fast. Once the ticket form is open, select the most precise category and subcategory. This routes your request to the right team. You should write a concise, chronological description, what happened when and what you tried. Attach screenshots and receipts as separate files, labeled clearly. Use plain language and avoid speculation so the agent can act. Make sure the email on file is current. Once done, confirm submission and note any confirmation ID. This reduces delays and speeds diagnosis. You finish by actively managing the ticket until resolution. Check both the ticket portal and your inbox often. Respond to any agent questions promptly and with the requested documents. If you don't see a reply within the stated window, check spam, then submit one concise follow-up referencing the ticket ID. If problems persist, politely request escalation and reattach verification proof. One troubleshooting tip: if attachments fail, compress images to under allowed size and risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.